In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar for social media with Trello. 5 minutes. Start by signing up or logging into Trello. If you're new, create a workspace so you have a home for your projects. Once you're in, create a new board. Give it a clear, recognizable name like Social Media Content Calendar so everyone knows exactly what it's for at a glance. Next, set up the backbone of your workflow with lists. Create lists for ideas, to do, drafting, scheduled, and done. Think of ideas as your parking lot for everything you might post. To do holds the items you've committed to making soon. Drafting is where you actively write and design. Scheduled is for posts that are queued with a date. Done is your archive of published wins. If you collaborate with others, invite them to the board so everyone can contribute and stay aligned. Before you start adding cards, take a moment to define your content strategy. Clarify your goals, your audience, which platforms you're focusing on, the themes you'll cover, and how often you plan to post. Note any key dates or campaigns you need to support. A little clarity now makes scheduling effortless later. Now, create and organize content ideas. Brainstorm topics and series, then turn each idea into a Trello card in the ideas list. Give every card a short descriptive title. Open each card and add a detailed description. Start with the caption and write the full text you plan to publish, keeping your brand voice and platform constraints in mind. Describe the visuals you'll use, such as the key image, video concept, or thumbnail direction. Add a hashtag plan that balances relevance and reach, and include a clear call to action, like encouraging comments or directing people to learn more. Assign a due date to each card. This acts as your publishing target and keeps timing visible. As work progresses, move cards across the lists so the board reflects reality. When an idea is chosen, move it to do. While you're writing or designing, place it in drafting. When it's queued in your publishing tool, move it to scheduled. Once it's live, drop it into done for an easy record of output. Use the scheduled list to track exactly when each post will go live. It helps you spot gaps or overlaps at a glance. Finally, review your board regularly and analyze what performs best. Note what resonates and what doesn't. Then apply those insights to future ideas so your calendar continually improves. That's your streamlined Trello content calendar, simple, visible, and built to keep you consistent.